Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make an amethyst and leather bracelet. So the first thing that we're going to do is I've cut my leather, and this is about 1.5 feet, and it's a 1.5 millimeter leather. I'm going to go a couple inches down, maybe 3-4 inches, and I'm just going to do a knot. And then I'm just going to want to string my beads. And for this pattern, I'm going to do 2 of these silver brass beads. And I'm going to do a beryl, amethyst beryl, and then 2 more of the spacer beads, and a rondelle. And that's going to be my pattern. And then once I've strung all my beads on, as long as I want my bracelet, a typical bracelet for a woman is about 7.5 inches. So you can make that smaller or larger depending upon the size that you need. And once you've strung all your beads on, then at the other end, you just want to do another knot right up against that bead. And then once I've got that done, I'm going to use my slider clasp. So I'm going to string on one side of the leather, and then I'm going to hold this and pinch this down, giving myself a large space to try and string the other one through. And I'm just going to pull both of them through. Then to finish it off, I'm just going to tie knots here and then on the other side. And I'm just going to cut off back this leather on either side. And then you can just put the bracelet on. Use the slide clasp. And there you have it. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.